I'm Lindsay Adler, and I'm going to show you how I use barn doors to control my light on location. Barn doors are used to shape and restrict light, and I primarily use this modifier in two main ways: to control the spill of the light and as a crisp rim light on my subject. Let's look at this in action using the extremely portable ProPhoto B10 and B10 Plus. Now here my main light is an OCF beauty dish in short light position. My second flash is pointed at the background to create separation so she doesn't blend in. Unfortunately, the light is a bit distracting and it pulls my eye to the edges of the frame. No problem, I go ahead and add an OCF II Barndoor and close the panels to restrict the light, creating a beautiful vignette to the scene. Next, I add another barn door to the right of the frame, acting as a rim light on my subject's body and jawline for dramatic results. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out ProPhoto.com for more information about the gear used in this shoot.